everybody, Marie here with the McWane Science Center. Welcome to another SciSparks. Today, prepare to watch a cup vanish right before your eyes. Well, sort of. This week, we're going to examine a very odd physical change in a very common item, a polystyrene cup. Now you may know of the word polystyrene by the brand name Styrofoam. One cool thing about polystyrene is that it is a polymer, a long chain of connected repeating molecules. If we look at the word polystyrene, we see that it is made up of two smaller words. Poly, meaning many, and styrene, the individual hydrocarbon that there are many of. In general, polymers can be found everywhere throughout our daily lives as they tend to have quite unique properties. Let's back up for a second. I said we're going to be looking at a physical change, not a chemical change. So what exactly is a physical change? It's when physical characteristics of a substance change, but there's no corresponding change in chemical composition. We'll start with polystyrene and we'll end with polystyrene. Here in front of me, I have a polystyrene cup, a beaker, and some acetone. I'm going to pour the acetone into my beaker here. Whew! If you were in this room with me, you would probably recognize this scent of the acetone, as it is the main ingredient in nail polish remover. I'm going to put this polystyrene cup into this acetone-filled beaker, and I want you to observe what happens. So what happened? No, the cup didn't melt. There was no heat involved in the reaction, and it didn't completely dissolve or disappear either, as here's the goop that it turned into. Let me explain. First, the polystyrene we are all familiar with, cups, plates, packing peanuts, etc., is full of air. The goop you now see in front of me is pure polystyrene, without any air. You see, in a typical polystyrene cup, many polystyrene chains are bonded together in such a way as to encapsulate air and provide a firm structure. The acetone breaks those bonds between the polystyrene chains, releasing the air and resulting in a polystyrene puddle instead of a polystyrene cup. I hope you enjoyed this episode of SciSparks. Be sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for new content. See you next time!